What's the meaning of cotter pin? Cotter pin. Cotter pin.
Cotter pin. Cotter pin. A cotter pin is a fastener that is used to secure two components together. It consists of a cylindrical metal wire with a split at one end and a loop at the other. The split end of the pin is inserted into a hole and then bent in order to secure the components together. This type of fastener is commonly used in machinery and automotive applications. It is easy to install and remove, making it a popular choice for temporary fastening needs. Cotter pins are often made of materials such as stainless steel or brass in order to provide durability and resistance to corrosion.